Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Karl from Cooking and Grilling with Karl. In this video, I'll be making an easy peach cobbler recipe right after this. Alright, before we get started with the recipe, let me show you all the ingredients I'll be using. Also, if this is your first time at the channel, I hope you consider subscribing to the channel after watching this video. I think you'll get value out of it, especially if you're looking to make peach cobbler. Also, if you've been watching this channel for some time, I hope you subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you anything. It really supports the channel. Alright, so let's get started with this recipe. So in a baking dish, I'm going in with 2 sticks of butter. I'm going to melt those in the oven. And the reason I'm going to melt them in the oven instead of on the stove or in the microwave, because that way I get my baking dish hot as well. And so that's going to help kind of form a crust when I put that batter in there. All right, so this is me getting ready to get started making the batter. So right now I'm going in with 2 cups of self-rising flour. All right, next I'm going in with a little bit of table salt. Going in with some brown sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of regular sugar. I use cane sugar. Right here I'm going in with about a tablespoon or maybe half a tablespoon of cinnamon. And right here I just went in with some nutmeg. Right here I'm going in with some pure vanilla extract. And now I'm going in with 2 cups of milk. And make sure your milk is cold. So I'm giving that a mix. I'm going to mix that up until pretty much like a thin pancake batter. Not too thin, but not as thick as pancake batter. All right, so I'm going in with 2 cans of peaches. And here I am going with some cornstarch. All right, giving that a mix. That's going to help kind of form a nice, how can I say it? It's going to, thicken up your peach cobbler. All right, just went in with some cinnamon, and here's some nutmeg, a little bit more vanilla. All right, giving that a nice mix. All right, so I got my butter nice and melted, and now I'm going in with that batter. All right, now I'm going in with my peaches. And I strained most of the juice out of the peaches. So what I'm doing, I'm just taking some of that batter and just kind of drizzling over the top. All right, so right here I'm just making a cinnamon sugar, and I'm going to sprinkle that over the top as well. That's going to give a little crunch to the top. All right, so I got my oven preheated at 350 degrees. So right here I'm going into the oven with my peach cobbler. And here I am putting the timer at 50 minutes. All right, so it's been 50 minutes. Here's the peach cobbler. All right, so nice and golden brown on top. Still bubbling, so I'm gonna let that rest for a little while before I cut into it. Yeah, so here I am just cutting into the peach cobbler. I'm gonna do a nice bowl, and I'm gonna throw some ice cream on top of that, some vanilla ice cream. But I just want to thank you for checking out this recipe. Delicious, easy peach cobbler recipe done by yours truly, Chef Karl from Cooking and Grilling with Karl. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And also let me know in the comments other things you want to see me make. Also check me out on social media, Cooking and Grilling with Karl, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. I also have a Facebook group called Cooking and Grilling with Karl. On that note, I'll catch you on the next video. God bless. Peace. Hey, this is Chef Karl. I just want to thank you for checking out this video. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and also to check out another video, just click on this box right here. God bless. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.